Okay, so I've been hearing a lot about this AI tool called Perplexity. People keep saying it's like ChatGPT, but better for research and real answers. So today I'm trying it out for the very first time and I want to see, does it actually do any different and should you use it instead of ChatGPT? So let's find out. So first impressions. Perplexity is basically an AI search assistant. You ask it a question and instead of just giving you a wall of text, it gives you a straight answer and then it actually shows you where it got that info, like real clickable sources. Honestly, that's already a big step up from most chatbots. Here's what actually surprised me as a first-time user. It's fast. I mean, ChatGPT is also fast, but it's like you type a question and you get an answer with sources in seconds. There's also this deep research mode where it basically does a mini report for you, pulls info from a bunch of places and summarizes it. And you can keep asking follow-up questions and it remembers the context. It's almost like chatting with a real smart librarian, I guess, who actually shows their work. Alright, so that's my first look at Perplexity. I was actually impressed by how clear and trustworthy the answers are, especially if those sources are right there. If you tried it, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you're sticking with ChatGPT, I want to hear it. Why? I mean, I'm still going with ChatGPT 90% of the time, especially when I need a quick answer, for any question or write up a script and stuff. But if I need to check facts, actually, a lot of times I notice ChatGPT is out of date, basically. That's when Perplexity comes into place. So don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel, help the boy out, and I'll see you on the next video.